I spoke with Mercy Chefs founder and CEO who tells me he's been in Arkansas for roughly 48 hours now, and the nonprofit plans to serve thousands of meals each day to those impacted.
It's pretty severe. This tornado was on the ground for well over 50 miles, but here in Little Rock, it was over a mile wide as it came through town.
For the second time in a week, Mercy Chefs has deployed to an area impacted by damage from destructive tornadoes. First Mississippi and now Arkansas.
The damage is pretty much complete in the areas. Lots of torn up homes, cars flipped upside down, and entries, tractor trailers piled on top of each other, and a whole power grid that's been taken out.
Doing whatever it takes to get the job done, the organization plans to serve thousands of meals each day and increase meal counts as needed.
We're here on site full of groceries, and we have another box truck here on site full of groceries, and the walk-in and the kitchen is pretty well loaded too.
At least 29 people are dead after tornadoes and storms this weekend, stretching across 5 states, including Arkansas. President Biden issued an emergency declaration for Arkansas as communities across the South and Midwest face a long road to recovery. The president says, quote, "There's nothing we can do to heal the hole left in the hearts of far too many families who lost loved ones this weekend, but we will be there every step of the way as they rebuild and recover."
They're still trying to cope with what life is going to be like, and where are they going to live, where are their kids going to go to school now, where are they going to work.
Now, Mercy Chefs members say they expect to stay in Arkansas at least until Easter weekend to continue helping families in need. I'm Kelsey Jones, News 3.
And as Kelsey just mentioned, today President Biden says he approved an expedited major disaster declaration to quickly provide federal assistance for people in Arkansas. He also says he's working with other impacted states and is ready to respond with more federal assistance if necessary.